May potensyal ang lungsod ng Tabuk na makilala bilang kauna-unahang cooperative city sa bansa matapos nitong makapagtalaga ng 95% members mula sa buong populasyon ng lungsod. Ito ang sinabi ni Cooperative Development Authority Administrator Assistant Secretary Santiago S. Lim sa nakaraang 2025 regional celebration ng mga International Year of Cooperatives na ginanap bilang highlights ng Farmers Cooperatives and Business Sector Day ng 38th Kalinga Founding Anniversary and 6th Bodong Festival.
The cooperative sector in Tabuk City and Kalinga is truly a force to be reckoned with 68 compliant cooperatives and 122,943 members in Kalinga and 57 compliant cooperatives with 115,514 members in Tabuk City. The province has an impressive cooperative membership rate of 66% of Kalinga's total population and an outstanding 95% of Tabuk City's residents. Halos po lahat na ng membro ng komunidad ng Tabuk City ay membro na ng kooperatiba dito sa Tabuk City. This solidifies Tabuk City's potential to be officially recognized as the first cooperative city in the Philippines. And soon, to become a Guinness Book of World Record holder for the most number of members per capita. Yun po, ang susunod natin ako yan.
Sa kanyang mensahe, pinuri ni ASEC Lim ang mga kooperatiba at opisyales ng lungsod at lalawigan sa kanilang pagsunod sa mga alituntunin ng CDA at mga batas upang mapalago ang mga kooperatiba.
From among the more than 1,400 LGUs in the country mandated to follow the implementation of the Republic Act 11535 for the appointment of the full-fledged cooperative development officers, Kalinga Province and Tabuk City are only among the few 200 LGUs that follow this law.
Ayon kay ASEC Lim, malaki pa rin ang pangangailangan ng sektor ng kooperatiba upang makahikayat ng mga miyembro sa buong bansa at makamit nito ang sustainable economic growth sa bansa na inaasam.
Our total membership nationwide is only more than 1 million, which is just about 10% of our total population. Again, this number is not yet big enough to really promote the cooperative movement in our country. From my research, benchmarking the cooperative per capita membership in other regions and in other countries, we have a minimum of 20%. So right now, we are only halfway to that number so that our cooperative movement will be truly recognized as a truly pillar of sustainable economic growth in the country. Let us be inspired by the numbers of the members in Kalinga and Tabuk City. And I encourage everyone present here, the co-op leaders, the members, and my staff to really be encouraged so that we go back to our respective communities, try to encourage more members and organize more cooperatives so that in the next 10 to 20 years, we can achieve the 20% percentage per population needed to drive the economic sustainability of our cooperative movement.
Ibinahagi rin ng CDA Administrator ang mga dapat tandaan ng mga kooperatiba upang mapanatili ang kanilang paglago na makamit ang mga inaasam na progreso ng mga ito. At yan ang balita para sa oras na ito. Hatid sa inyo ng City Public Information Office. Ako po si Reddy Retotal.
Tabuk City Newsbreak.